not gift today. Because this was intended all along. A couple of quick things before I peel off this cover. New generation Rocky Mountain train. There's a brand new seatbelt on it that has been engineered that is completely different. It's got a ratcheting strap. It actually pulls over, and when it locks, and the way that it's set up, depending upon how this has been completed, it has to be engaged before the lap bar will lock. So it's a double restraint. I've gotten a couple of questions about the shin guard there. I don't know if it's fully a new re-engineer, or if it's that second generation that everybody experienced before. So we'll have to try it together. But really excited about it. A couple of things you'll notice. It has urethane wheels. So we're not going steel on steel, we're going urethane on steel. That should quiet the ride and make it even more smooth than it should be just purely by design. Also, because we have a hot rod theme, I think you're going to love the design of this particular train. So without further ado, let's...
Untie, don't.
All right, you tell me when you're ready, Captain. All right, let's go. You ready? All right, go. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
So, you guys take all the pictures you want to. Take pictures of the false top that's back here. You can actually, if you go down a little further, you can see a little more structure. What we're going to do, those of you that are going to be walking with me on our little hike, we're going to walk down the hill. We're going to walk down the road on pavement until we get to the maintenance parking lot that's down at the other end of the service road. We will then walk up a service road that's gravel to the top of that ridge. So you're going to get really good view of the park and of the structure around it. But it's going to be, I won't discount it. It's going to be a fairly, it'll be a fairly strenuous walk, because that's about a 50-degree grade. So keep all that in mind. If you don't want to make the trip with us, the trolley is available to take you back down and back over to DreamMore. For those of you that are going on the hike with us, the trolleys will actually pick you up at the maintenance parking lot when we get done. And they're well aware you guys are going to be mine. So don't worry about it. Questions before we do anything?
Are both trains identical?
This is one complete train, 2 train operations. It does have a shin.
Are both trains identical?
Yes. Well, the short answer is I don't know.
Well, if it's always provided with electricity,
Correct.
because they're always going to have night
And you know, it fires in sequence. But I don't know, to tell you the truth.
because if I look at the bottom, it has the thin.
But I don't know what Dominic has done to set it up. I mean, you know, it may have, if it was power, you know, there may be in the channel, it may lock the fin. But I don't know. Purely speculative.
Is it one red and one blue, or both red?
They're both red.
No. Got a question? The weight.
I know you're going 73 at the bottom.
Where are the cup
I know
holders?
as you press the top, under, how about this one? Who knows what the wood is on the top of the left?
Oh, yeah.
Go for wood. Right, that's a bee house for us to try to, it's an experiment.
A bee
We'll
house.
see if this works, and if it does work, we'll add similar structures to the other tall coasters on the park.
Wow, they're gonna have one.
So what? That's what bees don't like that.
They'll be
These will go to the top of there.
No, without it, it will make a beehive underneath.
Sun beating down to where it's
You'll be going
warm.
45.
So instead of the top of the roller coaster,
Carry that in your
What the tracks they would go down. With that, they're hoping that they will go above it.
That one with a single roof or a two roof?
No,
They got $200,000 for
it is retractable, but it has
oh, Wally gonna have bees.
Yeah.
at certain times.
Really?
Shut down daily is for about a month. At certain times of the day. When bees are
it's
bad.
different. It's a new.
Why don't they put like something that bees don't like a plant?
Yep.
Oh, but how would you put that on?
Get out of here.
Good question. I haven't decided. We have thought about it, but I don't know. Probably because we're doing some media stuff in advance, and then we have media days.
Matt? Oh, you mean Matt is in this now? Oh, yeah. Okay. Also, if it's not there, check and see if it's in
All
the
right, we ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Why don't you just text Matt?